Hi, my name is Sammy Ombisa, your mental health coach. Today we are talking about an important topic which is integrating wellness in addiction recovery. We know from science that addiction can come as a result of various reasons, ranging from genetics to unmanaged stress. It's important as we address the reasons that caused addiction to occur to look at some of the evidence-based ways of helping somebody in recovery to have good outcomes. One of the ways is integrating comprehensive wellness programs in the recovery process. We know that wellness has various components, about 8 of them, and that means then all these components integrated in the recovery process will help an individual to see better outcomes. The physical aspect of wellness entails things like good nutrition, exercise, stress management, and even good sleep. We know that from science again, sleep of an individual who is consuming drugs or using certain substances can be interfered with or also disrupted. We want to see how best then this particular approach will be helpful for those people in recovery. First of all, exercise is very important in the recovery process, and the World Health Organization indicates that at least 150 minutes of exercise per week, which translates to about 30 minutes for 5 days a week, is helpful. You can start slowly, gradually, because if somebody went into treatment weak, they may need to start easy so that they don't injure themselves or they don't get demoralized because of the intensity. This same exercise is very helpful for the person in recovery. For example, those who are in the integration process back to the community and they want to stay away from relapse. Exercise, if well planned and followed through in a very well structured way, can also help to prevent relapse. On the other side, exercise can also be used when it comes to the management of weight of an individual in recovery. We know that some people will gain excess weight as a result of the use of the medication during recovery. Others will gain weight in the early stages of recovery as a result of the excess calories that they may not have been consuming in their previous life before going into the treatment facility. Lastly, exercise is important because it helps the mind and the body. How does the mind benefit from this? During exercise, the brain releases the feel-good hormones known as endorphins, and these endorphins are important for mood enhancement. We know that some people who are in recovery would be having what we call substance-induced disorders. Therefore, exercise for such an individual will be an integral part for their recovery process. Nutrition plays a very important role in the recovery process. Nutrients such as the omega-3s, for example from the cashew nuts or fatty fish oil, is important for this person's brain during recovery. Consumption of enough water as per their body weight comes in handy as a very important aspect in the recovery process. Ensuring that this person manages their stress in the best way possible will help them not to self-medicate on that particular substance. So, looking at the whole continuum of care during the recovery process, we need to have a multifaceted team, a multidisciplinary team that entails other practitioners and also a wellness team or individual that will be able to assist these people in recovery to follow through the whole components that are essential in making him or her recover well.